Today's supply chains are the backbone of the global economy, driving business growth and prosperity. Yet in today's interconnected world, this vital link is more vulnerable than ever. Introducing Supply Chain Intelligence, an AI-powered solution by Provectus. It provides visibility into your supply chain and helps to mitigate potential disruption risks. Whether it's manufacturing automotive supply chain, oil and gas risk assessment, banking credit score and underwriting, or insurance supplier concentration risk, our solution delivers actionable insights using natural language queries. Begin with a simple command like "Show me." It can track your supply chain risks. For example, show the bottlenecks in your supply chain. Everything you need is displayed at the click of a button. Want to see the data on a map? Just say, "Show me the information on a map," and get all the intricate details color-coded according to your preference. Whether it's the items at risk among 15 most popular SKUs, or the root cause for items at risk. It can also provide you with decision-making support. Answering the prompt, "What can be my mitigation strategy for sanctioned suppliers?" Or, "What would be the cost impact if we switched from sanctioned suppliers to other available suppliers?" Or, "What would be the final cost impact if we select the cheapest alternatives?" It can help with production capacity planning. For example, providing with the most popular SKUs by storage facility in a certain area. Or with the current stock quantities of the SKUs from the previous list. Or displaying the orders that can be fulfilled using our current inventory. Or displaying the orders that cannot be fulfilled using our current inventory. The solution can also help align supply with demand, providing you with a list of suppliers of the best-selling products. Or with items in shortage based on 1-month demand forecast. Data and analytics. Here you can see the inventory levels for the top 5 products from a specific supplier, all visualized in an easy, understandable chart. The solution further enables you to visualize the top 7 products by ordering via a pie chart. See the bigger picture with Supply Chain Intelligence solution by Provectus.